Let's we learn about daily life important phrases. Came into. The meaning of phrasal verb came into is inherit. After her father died, she came into a large fortune. Came at. The meaning of phrasal verb came at is attack. As I backed away, he came at me with a knife. Passed away. The meaning of phrasal verb passed away is die. After a long battle with cancer, the lawyer passed away yesterday. Run over. The meaning of phrasal verb run over is described briefly. Before we start the project, let's just run over who is doing what. Came about. The phrasal verb came about meaning is happen. Can you tell me how the accident came about? Go far. The meaning of phrasal verb go far is attack. Careful, she'll go for your throat. Act up. The meaning of phrasal verb act up is cause trouble. Children may act up in class in an effort to get attention. Play up. The meaning of phrasal verb play up is misbehave. Children who don't receive enough attention may begin to play up. Turn down. The meaning of phrasal verb turn down is lower the setting of. Could you turn down the volume a bit? It's really loud. Speak up. The meaning of phrasal verb speak up is talk more loudly. Could you speak up? I can't hear you. Come off. The meaning of phrasal verb come off is take place. Did the trip to London ever come off? Pick up on. The meaning of phrasal verb pick up on is notice. She failed to pick up on the humor in his remark. Act on. The meaning of phrasal verb act on is effect. Different drugs act on different parts of the body in many different ways. Come after. The meaning of phrasal verb come after is follow. Don't try to come after me. Bring up. The meaning of phrasal verb bring up is mention. Don't bring up politics if you want to have a quiet conversation with that guy. Mess around. The meaning of phrasal verb mess around is play. Don't mess around with electricity if you don't understand it. Comes before. The meaning of phrasal verb comes before is proceed. A comes before B in the alphabet. Give back. The meaning of phrasal verb give back is return. Give me back my laptop. Hang on. The meaning of phrasal verb hang on is wait a moment. Hang on. Let me check. Let out. The meaning of phrasal verb let out is disclose. She accidentally let out the location for the meeting. Come out. The meaning of phrasal verb come out is arrange. She has her work come out for her. Bring forth. The meaning of phrasal verb bring forth is create. She has the ability to bring forth new ideas when they are needed. Keep away from. The meaning of phrasal verb keep away from is avoid. She tried to keep away from danger. Came up. The meaning of phrasal verb came up is appear. He came up before a judge and was fined a 50 Bahrain dinar. Checked out. The meaning of phrasal verb checked out is investigate. She checked out the rumor and managed to verify that it was true. Passed up. The meaning of phrasal verb passed up is refuse. She passed up my invitation for dinner. Pulls in. The meaning of phrasal verb pulls in is earn. She pulls in a lot of money. Turn down. The meaning of phrasal verb turn down is refuse. She turned down all our offers to help. Went off. The meaning of phrasal verb went off is leave. He went off without a word. Goes against. The meaning of phrasal verb goes against is violate. What he did goes against the rules. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.